Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today I'm going to show you how to do a proper plank jack. So, first of all, plank jack is a combination of plank with a jumping jack. So step one, let's start, have your mats ready. We're going to start in plank position. Let's go over the form very quickly. So your hands are right below the shoulders. Start with your knees on the ground. So from this position, make sure you're not dropping your head, looking at your toes, or lifting your head up too high, looking at the front. So look down towards the floor, keeping your neck nice and neutral. From this position, your feet are hip width apart. Slowly come up on your toes right here. Again, don't drop your hips or lift your hips up too high. Keep your back nice and flat. So starting this plank position, we're adding jumping jacks. So you're gonna jump your feet out and in, out and in, out and in. So this is a plank jack, but a couple things to remember. Make sure when you're doing your plank jacks, you're not lifting your hip up too high like this, or dropping your hips like this. That puts too much pressure on your lower back. So keep your back straight and stay here adding the jumping jacks. Now modify. You can do the same movement without the jump. Toe tap to the side, or even hold it in plank. Up to you. We'll start with plank and then slowly adding the toe tap to the side, and then eventually, when you're ready, you can add the jump. Now, also, there's another different plank form, a plank jack. So you can either do this on your hands, but if you have wrist problems and if it's too much on your wrist, what you can also do is, again, do it on your elbow. So let's start from this position, again, knees on the floor, elbows right below the shoulders. From here, you're gonna come up on your toes again in forearm, elbow, plank position. So you can add the jumping jacks, plank jacks right here, or even without the jump. Now, the two differences are hands. When you're doing on your hands, it focuses more on upper body strength, upper body, and then if you're doing on your elbow, it focuses more on the core. But whatever works for you. So again, if you have wrist problems, do it on your elbows. I would suggest doing about 10 repetitions to begin with. And then also you can do either time-based or repetition-based. So time-based, start with 20-second Tabata style, take a 10-second break, do a few rounds through your 4 rounds, and then eventually you can increase the time, 30 seconds or even 40 seconds, and also, or doing couple reps. Also, if you're doing rep-based, I would suggest doing 10 reps to begin with, about 3 sets. So, that's it for today, plank jacks. So thank you so much everyone. And if you have any questions, this workout works the whole body. So if you have any questions, any exercises that you're not sure on how to do correctly, please write in the comments below and I'll make sure to film that for you next time. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye!